Te ata Maori e wano, whānau, hānau, however it is you want to say, from whichever region you are from. Okay, so today's kupu of the day, or today's place name. This one's for you, Mr. Tyree. To me, this one's for you, babe. So yeah, it's Papatoetoe. That's Papatoetoe. Alright, it's not Papatoetoe, it's not Papatoetoe, or Papatoetoe, as we've quite often heard. Alright, it's Papatoetoe. Now, what I've sort of come to realise while doing a lot of these videos is trying to find English equivalents, words that sound the same as Maori words, and that's freaking hard. So in this case, like toe toe, everyone knows how to say papa, right? We all know how to say papa, because that's you know, when you're calling your grandfather or your dad, you know, you're calling out papa, papa, papa. All right, so you know how to say papa. All right, it's the toe toe part that's a bit more difficult. And trying to find an English equivalent sounding word is not that bloody easy. So I am going to try and teach you how to say a different word and then relate it back to toe toe. Okay? So, if you know how to say koe, as in tēnā koe, kei te pēhea koe, as in you, or if you're not sure on how to say koe, alright, let's take the word koe. If you can imagine or spell out Q-W-E or K-W-E and say that. So K-W-E and say koe. Oh, whoa, you just learned how to say koe. Okay, so that's how you say koe, tēnā koe, or kei te pēhea koe. Alright, now I want you to take the same concept in the toe part. Papatoetoe. Okay, so I suppose if you spell out T-W-E, it's probably the easiest way for me to guide you. Okay, that's toe. Now just with the T, make it a blunt T, okay, and almost a D. Keep the W and the E in there, and you've got toe. Alright, now put two of those together, toe toe, and you've got toe toe. So the first part, papa, and now you've learnt how to say the toe part by spelling out T-W-E and making the T a blunt T, almost a D, and pronouncing it toe, and then adding two of those together, toe toe, you have Papatoetoe. Yeah, almost sounds the same, but you know, at least it's better than Papatoetoe and or Papatoe or Papatoetoes. All right, so pa, repeat after me. Pa, toe, toe. Pa, toe, toe. Papatoetoe. Then you just speed it up, and then the pronunciation will come. Papatoetoe, Papatoetoe. Wow, fuck, that was easy as, bro. Yeah, so yeah. Give me some more, man. Give me some more.